Can I relocate my outdoor AC unit? Yes, but it should be planned by a trained heating and cooling pro so the line set, wiring, drainage, and airflow all stay correct. Moving an outdoor air conditioner unit is not as simple as picking it up and putting it somewhere else. The big metal box outside is connected to the inside part of your cooling system by refrigerant lines, electrical wires, and sometimes a drain line, and each one has to be handled the right way. If the lines are too long, too short, kinked, or bent badly, the system can stop cooling well or even break. The new spot also has to give the unit enough open space so it can blow hot air away and keep breathing. It should sit on a solid pad, stay out of standing water, and not be blocked by plants, fences, or walls. A small thing many people do not know is that moving it too close to a bedroom window can make the sound seem much louder because walls can bounce the noise around. Another little known point is that the unit needs enough room for service work later, or a repair person may have to take extra parts apart just to reach it. Before moving it, it is smart to check local rules and ask a licensed contractor whether the refrigerant amount and line size will still match the system. If done wrong, the move can lower efficiency, shorten the life of the equipment, and raise power bills. A common mistake is thinking any flat spot outside is fine, but the unit still needs room around it so air can move freely. A good tip is to leave clear space on every side and keep it on a level pad. Another mistake is stretching the refrigerant line too far without checking the system limits. A good tip is to have the installer measure everything first, because line length affects how well the system cools. People also forget about noise and vibration, which can bother you later even if the unit works. A good tip is to place it away from windows and use a stable base so it does not shake. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.